Have you ever wondered how to transform an ordinary workplace into a fun, festive, and Halloween-inspired environment that boosts team spirit and creates memorable experiences throughout the office? Looking for decorating ideas inspired by themed cubicles, spooky desks, pumpkin displays, Halloween break rooms, creative door contests, seasonal centerpieces, and festive office celebrations? Curious how to decorate a professional workspace while keeping it welcoming, creative, and appropriate for coworkers, clients, and visitors? And wondering how to create a Halloween atmosphere that encourages engagement, collaboration, and seasonal excitement without disrupting productivity? Stay with us, because today we're exploring office Halloween decorating ideas for fun, creative, and workplace-friendly seasonal decor. What makes great office Halloween decor? Great office Halloween decor balances festive fun with professionalism, creating a welcoming atmosphere that celebrates the season while maintaining a productive work environment. The best displays feel creative and engaging without becoming distracting, allowing employees and visitors to enjoy the Halloween spirit throughout the workplace. Successful office decorating often focuses on enhancing existing spaces rather than completely transforming them, making the environment feel festive while remaining functional. What Halloween themes work best in office environments? Friendly pumpkin patches, haunted offices, witch workshops, monster break rooms, Halloween villages, enchanted forests, classic monster themes, and autumn-inspired displays are among the most popular choices. These themes allow teams to decorate creatively while keeping the atmosphere appropriate for a professional setting. Choosing one consistent theme throughout the office can help decorations feel coordinated and visually appealing rather than random or cluttered. If you love Halloween decorating ideas, like this video and share it with coworkers planning festive office decor. How can office doors become Halloween focal points? Office doors provide excellent opportunities for creativity. Decorate them with themed displays, Halloween wreaths, pumpkins, ghost designs, spooky signs, character themes, and creative contest entries that reflect team personalities. Door decorating contests are especially popular because they encourage participation and allow departments to showcase their creativity while building workplace camaraderie. What desk decorating ideas work best for Halloween? Mini pumpkins, Halloween mugs, themed organizers, decorative lights, seasonal figurines, small lanterns, festive stationery, and subtle desk accessories add Halloween charm without creating clutter. Personal workspaces can celebrate the season while remaining organized and functional. Simple decorative touches often create the biggest impact because they blend naturally into the workspace. Tell us in the comments your favorite office Halloween decoration. How can cubicles be transformed for Halloween? Cubicles can become miniature Halloween worlds through themed backdrops, paper bats, spider webs, banners, pumpkins, coordinated color palettes, and creative decorative accents. Teams can create immersive themes that transform ordinary workstations into festive seasonal spaces. Even small additions such as themed lighting or seasonal artwork can dramatically change the atmosphere of a cubicle. What Halloween decorations work well in office reception areas? Reception areas create the first impression for employees, guests, and clients. Seasonal wreaths, pumpkin arrangements, lanterns, autumn foliage, themed signs, decorative displays, and welcoming centerpieces help establish a festive atmosphere from the moment visitors arrive. These spaces often benefit from elegant Halloween decor that feels seasonal while maintaining a polished appearance. For more Halloween decor ideas, check out our full playlist in the description below. How can break rooms be decorated for Halloween? Break rooms offer ideal opportunities for seasonal decorating. Add themed table centerpieces, festive banners, pumpkins, candy stations, seasonal signs, serving displays, and decorative accents that encourage employees to gather and enjoy the Halloween atmosphere. Creating a cozy and festive break area can help boost morale and provide a fun seasonal escape during the workday. What family-friendly Halloween office ideas are most popular? Friendly ghosts, smiling pumpkins, cute monsters, colorful decorations, whimsical signs, cartoon-inspired characters, and playful seasonal themes remain popular because they create an inclusive environment that appeals to a wide variety of employees and visitors. These lighter themes help offices celebrate Halloween while maintaining a welcoming atmosphere. Subscribe for more seasonal decorating and styling ideas. How can Halloween lighting be used safely in offices? Battery-operated candles, LED string lights, tabletop lanterns, decorative light displays, and soft ambient lighting can create seasonal atmosphere while maintaining workplace safety standards. Lighting should enhance the decor without creating hazards or interfering with daily operations. Warm lighting often helps office decorations feel more inviting and festive. What decorations work best for office Halloween parties? Photo backdrops, themed tables, balloon displays, seasonal centerpieces, costume contest areas, candy stations, decorative signage, and festive snack displays help transform office gatherings into memorable Halloween celebrations. Party decorations often work best when coordinated with the overall office theme for a cohesive look. Love these office Halloween decorating ideas. Find similar decor items linked in the description below. How can conference rooms be decorated for Halloween events? Conference rooms can become festive gathering spaces with themed table settings, seasonal centerpieces, decorative lighting, Halloween signage, pumpkins, lanterns, and coordinated decor. These additions help create a more engaging atmosphere for meetings, celebrations, and team events. Even subtle seasonal touches can make conference rooms feel more inviting during Halloween season. What DIY office Halloween decorations are easy to make? Paper bats, pumpkin crafts, ghost garlands, themed signs, desk decorations, handmade centerpieces, printable decorations, and creative wall displays offer affordable decorating solutions that employees can help create together. DIY projects often encourage teamwork while keeping decorating costs low. Explore more Halloween inspiration in our recommended videos listed in the description. How can departments create friendly decorating competitions? Friendly competitions encourage creativity and team engagement. Departments can decorate around themes such as haunted offices, pumpkin patches, Halloween movies, classic monsters, spooky libraries, or enchanted forests. These contests often become memorable workplace traditions that employees look forward to each year. What small details make the biggest impact? Decorative nameplates, mini pumpkins, seasonal flowers, candy bowls, themed signs, desk accessories, coordinated color palettes, festive stationery, and creative tabletop accents can instantly elevate office decor. Sometimes the smallest additions create the strongest seasonal atmosphere throughout the workplace. If you enjoy creative decorating ideas, make sure to subscribe for weekly inspiration. How can you decorate an office for Halloween on a budget? You do not need a large decorating budget to create an impressive office display. DIY decorations, paper crafts, reusable seasonal decor, affordable pumpkins, battery-operated lighting, printable decorations, and team-made projects can deliver excellent results. Creativity, teamwork, and thoughtful design often matter far more than expensive decorations when creating a festive workplace atmosphere. Office Halloween decorating is all about creating a festive, engaging, and welcoming workplace atmosphere that brings employees together while celebrating the season. By combining themed desks, decorated doors, pumpkins, seasonal lighting, break room displays, creative contests, and collaborative decorating projects, you can bring Halloween spirit into the office while maintaining a professional environment. Whether your style is playful, elegant, autumn-inspired, whimsical, or subtly spooky, These decorating ideas help create a workplace that feels more enjoyable, creative, and memorable throughout Halloween season. With thoughtful planning, coordinated themes, and plenty of seasonal charm, even the most ordinary office can become a festive destination that employees look forward to visiting every day. If you enjoyed these office Halloween decorating ideas, like this video and share it with coworkers decorating for Halloween. Tell us your favorite office Halloween theme in the comments below. Explore our Halloween Decor playlist in the description for more inspiration. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more seasonal decorating and workplace styling ideas every week. Looking for more inspiration? Check out similar videos linked in the description. Find decor items featured in this video through the links provided in the description.